Assalamu alaikum guys and hello. आज हम आपके लिए एप्पल क्रम्बल पाई बनाएंगे. उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आएगा. And yes, we can start now.
Alright, let's start with the ingredients first.
Okay, the ingredients are milk, eggs, flour, vanilla sugar. You can find this in Turkish shops or in Polish shops, because in UK you can't find any vanilla sugar. Here are only vanilla extract. Yes.
So, or maybe we just haven't found it. I don't know. But we just found it in the Turkish shop.
Yes. Sugar, butter, walnuts, of course apples, lemon, cinnamon, baking powder, salt, and yes, now we can start. And it's a German traditional pie. It's called Apfelstreuselkuchen, and the translation of it is apple crumble pie. And I hope you like it because it's my favorite pie, and I know you like it too. And let's start. So first we need butter. I think it's 200 gram.
But we are going to blend in the...
Yes, in the info box and in the video. The butter and the sugar, you have to mix it very well.
That's a sugar bomb.
Sugar bomb, yes. Now we need our eggs. 4 eggs we need.
What do we call eggs in Urdu?
In Urdu, anda.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, in Urdu it's anda. And after that, we have to mix this together. It have to become a foamy consistence after the mixing, and that is why you have to mix very well. I think 4 minutes. Yes. Now we need our vanilla sugar. You can use as well vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Yes. And add 2 pinch of salt, I think.
What do you call salt in Urdu?
Salt, namak.
Well, how do you call it in Turkish?
Tuz.
Tuz.
Yes. And go on with mixing. Now our lemon, half lemon, and milk.
Süt in Turkish, right?
Süt, yes. Süt, and in Urdu it's called dud. Dud?
Yes, that's
yes.
right.
It's like the same. Now we mix it. And after that you have to mix your flour in your mixture. And the baking powder, of course. Yes.
How many teaspoons?
4 teaspoons.
As we said, we are going to blend in all of the ratios.
Yes. So guys, this is the perfect consistency. It's not so liquid and not so hard. It's a middle of them.
Sticky.
Sticky, yes.
Mm-hmm.
we put the apple slices on our dough, and before that you have to
squeeze a lemon.
yes, squeeze a lemon on your apples because
Otherwise they get brown.
Yeah.
That was normally my work. I was supposed to add the lemon extract to it, but I think I failed. So some of them are still brown.
no matter. And of course, because of the flavor, the lemon juice and the cinnamon, oh, it tastes so good. So you have to place it like this.
All in the same direction, otherwise you fail.
Yes, otherwise you fail.
So now we are ready, but there's still some empty batches here, so we are just going to add one more apple to it.
Yes. Now we are coming to the best part, the walnuts and this cinnamon. First we need cinnamon. I love cinnamon, that's why I'm putting a lot of
it onto the pan.
yes. And it smells so good. Now the walnuts. Now the second best part of it are the crumbles, and for that we need butter, flour, sugar and vanilla sugar. We mix them together to a dry dough. Yes, and then we make some crumbles. So the best way to mix your dough is first with a fork, then with your hands. So the next part with the hands. Now you see the dry dough. You have to have patience while mixing, and if it's very sticky you can add some more flour. So after 45 minutes or 50 minutes, our pie is ready and it smells so good. You see the crumbles?